just cleaned off the wood, cleaned off some of the wood underneath, so then I can get some help and lift this wood, take it over the other side, show you how to make a floor. Got the wood ready to move to show you how to make a floor. Just have to cut off each side and each end. One of the ends I might be able to leave. More hardwood wooden pallets. More building materials, more hardwood. More hardwood. More hardwood. Look how hard the wood is. More hardwood. More hardwood. More building materials. More plumbing. More wooden pallets. More tin. More tin. More tin. More tin. Use this bit here for the floor. This is like one of the least weathered boards I got. Might have another one that's less weathered. I'll take that down and screw it onto the floor. More tin. More hardwood. Hardwood black flooring. Costs like 200 or 220 bucks a sheet. For that, 220 bucks a sheet. For that black flooring. More tin underneath. More hardwood. Hoses. Many different hoses. Probably too corroded away to use them. I might be able to use one or two hoses out of there. Using any hoses is better than none. More hardwood, more firewood, more rocks for stonemason work. Driveway. Way more than a driveway. More firewood. What do you think? A floor. Footings to put up a roof. Hardwood, so heavy I can't even lift it with two people. How long and heavy the wood is. More than hardwood. filling it in to make the ground level, so I can put a floor over the top. Filled in that much today. I'll fill in even more tomorrow. I'll show you way more than show you the difference. More firewood. Way more than firewood. Bonfirewood. Bonfirewood. Light that whole thing up. Seconds. Firewood. What do you think? Driveway. Private driveway covered in video surveillance. Video surveillance. Way more than video surveillance. Way more than video surveillance. Solar powered internet, video surveillance, motion censored through the internet to every device, to your car stereo. See this as I drive out of here through my car stereo. When I'm in town, if anything moves in front of it, show me on my phone or my car stereo or my tablet. Show you on my laptop. Show you on way more devices than that. More firewood. Palm trees. Way more than firewood. Ferns, palm trees. Some of the hardest wood you can get. Some of the strongest burning firewood you'll ever get. Way more than firewood. Way more than video surveillance. Used to be a shed right here. Way more than a shed. Cleaned it all up and moved it. All that stuff was all the way, all over here, lying all over the ground. Even picked up the tiniest nail or screw, the tiniest bit of plastic. All I've got to do is move all this, and then the rest that I don't move it and use it for building materials. There was a huge shed there. Now I'm redoing the shed. See, it's down over there. Redoing the shed. Show you how to do some building right here. Way more than building right here. More building materials, more firewood. Way more than building, way more than hardwood. Way more than building materials. Way more than hardwood. Water tank, hardwood. more hardwood, more hardwood, more building materials, more hardwood, more tin. Private driveway covered in video surveillance, way more than video surveillance. Sensors, spotlights, alarm systems, notifications to every electrical device, way more devices than your phone. Video surveillance, 24/7 video surveillance, never turns on, never turns off, always on, 24/7. Solar power, way more than solar power, can never turn off. And then it's got a battery that stores the solar power in it, so when there's no sun, no way of charging, it still runs. Private driveway. More video surveillance, way more than video surveillance, way more than cloud. Way more than tin, way more than building materials. Show you how to use this tin. Way more than... More firewood, more building materials. What do you think? What do you think? More rocks, more stonemason work.
Right, so they're done there. Those two roof pieces are finished. We can put them on tomorrow morning if you want. Sorry, mate.